That's Capsule Craft. Show the machine's exterior, branding, and control panel. Host voiceover. This is a high-speed capsule printer capable of printing logos, batch codes, dosage info, or branding directly onto capsules. It's compatible with a wide range of sizes, from size 5 to size 00. 2. Setup process. Close-up on power switch, touchscreen interface, and capsule feeding tray. Host voiceover. Start by powering up the machine. The touchscreen interface is user-friendly, allowing you to set print parameters like alignment, speed, and ink density. Demonstrate loading capsules into the hopper or feeder system. Host. Next, load the capsules. Make sure they are dry and properly oriented. The machine uses an advanced alignment mechanism to ensure accurate positioning for each capsule. 3. Designing the print. Show touchscreen or connected software for designing text/logo. Host voiceover. You can input text or upload a logo directly via the USB port or built-in design software. The system supports monochrome and color printing depending on the model. 4. Printing in action. Footage of capsules moving through the printer, inkjet heads in motion. Host. Once everything is set, hit start, and the magic begins. The machine uses high-resolution inkjet technology to apply markings with pinpoint accuracy, even at high speeds. 5. Quality check. Show capsules after printing. Close-up of the print clarity. Host voiceover. Every capsule is uniformly printed with crisp, legible markings. Some models include built-in cameras to reject defective prints automatically. 6. Cleaning and maintenance. Show cleaning process, ink cartridge change, maintenance menu on screen. Host. Cleaning is quick and simple. Use the auto clean function or manually wipe the printhead with the provided solution. Always check ink levels and perform monthly maintenance checks to ensure smooth operation.